Hi guys, if this is your first time visiting, welcome to Areen the Educator, the series Murdered While Pregnant. Today's case is about Derrica Patrick, who was murdered on January the 12th, 2021. Derrica was a 29-year-old hairstylist and mother of a 9-year-old daughter, and she was 4 months pregnant with her second child. While she was sitting in her car, she was ambushed and shot by two men on January the 12th, 2022. Although taken to the hospital, she did not survive. At least she nor her child survived. And Derricka was the youngest of 5 girls, and she had a younger brother. She was loved by her family, friends, community members, and customers. Chicago police are offering a reward to help bring her killers to justice. After this disclaimer, there is a brief video on why I started Murdered While Pregnant, a news clip of Jessica's murder, and then a tribute to Derrica Patrick will play after that. Condolences to the family. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Murdered While Pregnant. I was in nursing school in 1989 when first introduced to pregnant women being at a higher risk of being murdered than dying from pregnancy-related issues. This shocked all of us young nursing students. Surprisingly, this continues today, which is why I want to bring awareness in hopes to save pregnant mothers and their babies. Additionally, it is my hope that people seek mental health treatment instead of hurting others. Wall Street Journal reporter Nidhi Subramanian reported homicide as the leading cause of maternal death. Pregnant women in the United States die by homicide more than they die of pregnancy-related causes, and they frequently are killed by a partner, according to a study published last month in Obstetrics and Gynecology. Researchers revealed this grim statistic by using death certificates to compare homicides and pregnancy-related deaths across the entire country for the first time. So today, I present the stories of these mothers. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, as well as leave a comment. And if you know of a mother who has been murdered while pregnant, please share her story with me so that I can share it with others so that we can bring more awareness to this issue and hopefully combat it together. Thank you.
A crowd of people gathered to support the family of a 29-year-old pregnant woman who was murdered here in Chicago. Today, the family and community members, they released balloons at the spot where Derrica Patrick was killed. The hairstylist was sitting in a parked car on South Vincennes when she was shot multiple times by two men on Wednesday night. Patrick's mother begged for the shooters to turn themselves in.
I can't get my baby back. Oh, my baby. Y'all took my baby from me. God gave it to me for 29 years, and you just ended my baby's life like that.
And some community activists also announced today they will pay for Patrick's funeral.
The Chicago police are offering a $15,000 reward. Please help. Patricia, the baby, and her family did not deserve this.